My name is Abdi Phenomenal Farah. If you can't say my full name, it's Abdi Fatah Ali Farah. But I wrote a piece about, y'all heard about the Somali pirates, right? Yeah. Well, this piece I wrote over here is about the Somali pirates, and somebody's happy back there. Alright, this piece over here is untitled. Wish I could destroy the bullets with the clans. My home cries hunger with no pots and pans. Lots of hands, tremble, rape women and shots from men, but yet still arise from the forgotten land. Sometimes I cry when no one knows, tears full of blood rest on my soul. How is it possible to cry the color of rose? For those who oppose, ascribe their status my heart never chose. We came to this world to struggle, I suppose, but only if you know that the hands, knees and toes, from your head to the tip of your nose, lie on where they suppose you are safe from your woes. See, it's hard to be in a negotiation situation when bullets cause the equation. Toxic waste on our coast is an inspiration. United Nations ain't saying nothing about the invasion, so we gotta set the equation. Ammunition from Yemen, yeah, cause they're wiring. My stomach been empty for months and I ain't retiring. AKM assault rifles, RPGs are firing. Semi-automatic pistols, hand grenades flying. See, riding a canoe with 8, 208 because it's that God that we true great. It's hard to relate, so for the man with the suit and the case, from your helicopter drop the waterproof suitcase. Let it be 50 million, if not we shoot base. Take hostages, leave them with a mute face. Make the ship and crew salute grace, or too late. Wish I could destroy the bullets with the clans. My home cries hunger with no pots and pans. Lots of hands, trembling, rape women and shots for men, but yet still arise from the forgotten land. Sometimes I cry when no one knows, tears full of blood rest on my soul. How is it possible to cry the color of rose? For those who oppose, ascribe their status my heart never chose. We came to this world to struggle, I suppose, but only if you know that the hands, knees and toes, from your head to the tip of your nose, lie on where they suppose you are safe from your woes. Thank you very much.